updates to the video I made yesterday about how GBPUSD, how you are expecting for it to retrace back to this level you hope to sell from. Okay, we're expecting to retrace to this level, and we take our sell from this level down here, down to this level and the next level. So yesterday the market gave us a counter trend opportunity to buy. So that's what I want to break down to you guys now, show you how it happened. You can look at the charts on the, by the way, let's see how yesterday candle closed the daily. Let's see how the daily closed yesterday. Okay, all right, you can see yesterday's candle, how it closed. See how yesterday's candle closed here. This is yesterday's candle, this one here. So that's how it closed. So yesterday we found the buy signal on the 4-hour. I trade on the 4-hour time frame. That's where I take my trades, on the 4-hour. Anybody that trades lower can find a way to take it lower, but for me, I prefer the 4-hour. I don't want stress. I don't like stress. Okay, so see what we saw yesterday. When the market came down, you can see what happened here. This is the structure that happened here. It came down low, it went to this high, then came lower low to break this low, lower low. So instead of it to go lower high and come down again to continue the sell, what did it do? Let's see what it did. So this thing is hanging. Okay, so instead of to go lower, remember it went to this high, came down lower than this low, then after this low it now went up to break this high, this lower high, to break it to get to this point before it came down to close here. As long as it got to this point, we believe that it has broken this high, so it's pointing back to the upper side. So for me, it's already giving me a buying signal. Okay, and for those that trade head and shoulder, it even wants to look like a head and shoulder thing. Okay, but let's not go there for now. Let me focus on how I took it. So when it broke the high, I marked my order block. I marked this body of the red candle, the last red candle before the buy candle that broke that high. I marked it like this to the low. Okay, I marked like that. So if you look here, you see this is the last red candle before this green one that broke this high. So I marked the body, where the body closed here, the body here, down to the low of this green one, and I expected the market to come down, to come down to that zone where I marked it before moving up. So what did I do next? I now went on to put my buy limits here at this point where I expect it to come down to, and now set my buy order, my stop loss below the low here. Okay, then I target 2. I target 2R, 1 to 2R. So this is 1 to 2 risk to reward. This is risk reward ratio 2.1. Okay, so I'm risking 1 to make 2, and that's exactly what happened. After I placed it yesterday during the New York session, market came down from that last candle, which closed at 2 o'clock New York session. The market next one went up a little bit, before it came down to now trigger my entry, and it played around at that zone. So this morning, that's 9th, now got this push that now shows us that yes, market is following our analysis. So this is where we are now. So even if it may retrace a little bit more, but I believe it will continue. Let's see how today closes. Today, tomorrow, let's see if you will hit take profits, and that will be a beautiful one. If you hit take profits, that will be a good 2R they're going to be getting. And when that happens, we now expect it to trigger our sell. Remember, we had a sell limit order at the gray area, so we'll see how it gets there and trigger our sell, so that we can sell from this region, this area. We'll sell down to this level, this monthly level. That's the first take profit, and the next one will be the next monthly level. These blue lines, they are the monthly levels. So that's that for now. Let's see how today continues to play. Let's see whether we're going to get to our take profit today, or whether it's going to be tomorrow, or whether the market is going to do some magic and come down to take us out. But whatever happens, let's see how it goes. So that's what happened yesterday. That's how I took the trade yesterday. So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe and turn off the post notification, so that whenever I drop a video, you get to see it. Okay, bye for now.